This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about beakers and flasks, specifically these RW Lab glass beakers and flasks. We have a 200 milliliter borosilicate beaker here and an adorable 25 milliliter borosilicate conical flask. All of these items are made from borosilicate glass, which is incredibly durable and also heat resistant, making them a fantastic item to use in a bar setup. Both styles, the beakers and the flasks, are available in 25, 50, 100, and 200 milliliter sizes, meaning you have some great size options between the two different styles. They all have these fantastic measurement markers on the sides, meaning that you can use them for precise measuring, as well as it just being that fun, nice little touch, that extra little bit of detail that gives it both form, function, right, and some style. They're perfect for making things like handcrafted cocktails, to use for stuff like shooters, or even to do things like fun themed desserts in. They're perfect for molecular gastronomy inspired creations or just your next mad scientist themed party. They're dishwasher safe, heat and scratch resistant, meaning they're going to be a durable, long lasting item, and they're going to be perfect for use in those commercial restaurant and bar environments. So these are perfect for bars, caterers, party planners, or just to use while entertaining at home.